Suppose I told you there is a way, not a fairy tale, not the lottery, but a real, tested and verified formula to get rich. In today's world, we are going to learn how to get rich quick, step by step. We are going to dissect getting rich with accuracy and even provide answers on how do I get rich quick, because I think you should know. Stick with me folks, because by the end of this video, you won't just have ideas, action you can take, and I'll share a personal story of how I went from broke to millionaire. And hey, before we go in any further, hit that subscribe button and the little bell icon so you don't miss out on future videos on wealth, business, and entrepreneurship. Ready? Let's get in. I got something special for you, a free ebook that helps you achieve financial freedom. All you have to do is to drop your email below and it's yours. Part 1. The myth versus the reality. First, let's dispel a myth. If you search for how to get rich quickly or how do you get rich, most of them will offer you overnight riches. Lottery, crypto, get-rich schemes. Most of them don't work or are scams. The reality is, becoming a millionaire is more than a matter of luck than often. It's mindset, leverage, execution, and timing. Let me relate a brief example. 5 years ago, I was complaining living my 9-to-5 paycheck to paycheck life. I daydream, how do I become rich in a hurry? Into Google and stroll through dozens of blog posts under the heading make $10,000 a day at home. Nothing came out of that. What did come? I started a side business, a small online tutorial for a skill I had. I reinvested my earnings over time, built system, skill. I didn't become wealthy in 1 or 2 years, but in a couple of years, I crossed that 7-figure barrel. So if you're asking, how do I become rich quickly or how do I become a millionaire? And here's the thing, yes, it is possible, but it's not magic. It's purposeful. And today, I'm discussing the exact pathway that I discovered most reproducible, namely in business and entrepreneurship. Part 2. The mindset and foundations. Let us build your foundation first before we get into actual business ideas, because people who found out how to become rich will have mindset and habits. Number 1. Use thinking, not time. In order to be rich fast, you must construct leverage, system, automation, teams, where your revenue can grow without your working every single minute. Second, long-term thinking plus aggressive action. Make a promise to make years of steady progress, but be aggressive. Most are unsuccessful because they never take big bets. Third, unrelenting reiteration. You will fail. People who actually know how to be millionaire quickly, they learn, they correct, and move on. Fourth, net worth versus salary. Optimize not just for income, optimize for equity, ownership, investment. After you have those fundamentals, you buy a car, and that brings us to the 5 scalable business models that learn how to become rich and even make it overnight. Part 3. 5 scalable business paths. Following are 5 high-leverage business models I recommend if you want to accelerate how to become a millionaire or even how to be rich overnight. Number 1. Start a tech company. Make something people need. The potential is enormous. Think about Airbnb, Uber. Second, build a subscription-based business. Recurring revenue equal predictable wealth. Third, build and sell online courses. Teach a skill, package it, sell it. One method to how I can become a millionaire. Fourth, build a SaaS, software as a service. Scalable, recurring revenue. Fifth, build a mobile app. Fix a real problem. Monetize with subscription or in-app purchases. If someone asks, how do you become rich? Your answer is pick one scalable business models, commit and scale aggressively. Step 4. Step-by-step playbook. Okay, theories out of the way. Be strategic. Here's a 7-step playbook to turn idea into millions. Step 1. Find your skill plus market fit. Step 2. Build MVP or prototype. Step 3. Get your first customers. Step 4. Reinforce and iterate. Step 5. Scale with ads, partnership, and viral loops. Step 6. Automate, delegate, systemize. Step 7. Reinvest and expand. This is the template in plain language of how to become rich quick or how to become a millionaire through business leverage. Some of the questions asked: how do I get rich? You choose a scalable models and compound growth. Focus on leverage and repeatable system. Utilize the 7-step roadmap and scale. Part 5. Common pitfall and truth. Here are things that catch most millionaires out and what to do instead. Number 1. Perfectionist. Second, scaling broken funnels. Third, ignoring cash flow. Fourth, losing customer focus. Fifth, burnout. When you avoid this pitfall, you not only learn how to get wealthy, but you also get rich quick with discipline and execution. Part 6. Real life example. Sarah is here. She wanted how to become rich quick. She did not have millions of capitals. She made an online course about fitness, reinvested profits, begin a subscription ad, and within 2 years, she found out how to become a millionaire in real life. And if anybody ever tells you it is not luck, but leverage and persistence. Conclusion. Shortcuts and scam will not show you how to become wealthy overnight. Wealth comes from scalable business models, leverage and consistency. You know how to be a millionaire now. It's all through focused execution. If you enjoyed the video, like, subscribe and comment. Which model will you use to be a millionaire? Would it be tech, SaaS, course, subscription, or ad? See you in the next one. Build, iterate, scale. I see you, a millionaire.